Every artist wants to be original, to be remembered and to have something unique to remember them by. As a musician, I want to have a unique sound. Coming up with beats and melodies, to me, that's the easy part. Coming up with the unique sounds to make them, that's a different story. Before I began taking physics, I never really put much thought into it. There are hundreds of varieties of instruments to use. Many are uncommon and some strange, but they are a sound that has been heard before. With a little creativity and physics, you can create your own original instrument. Tension in an instrument's strings is the function of its mass per unit of length, the vibrations length of the string, and the pitch of the note produced when the string vibrates. To calculate the tension, you take the unit weight or mass and multiply it by 2 times length times frequency squared, then divide by 386.4. Mersennet's 3 laws state doubling a string's length cuts the frequency by half, doubling the tension results in an inverse in frequency by the square root of 2, doubling the mass per length results in reducing frequency by the square root of 2 as well. For the mock instrument I drew up, I decided to make a 7-stringed instrument that has a bridge in the middle so that there are 2 sides to pluck or strum. One side is very large and has a round body for resonance. The adjacent side is half the size of the other, offering a different and higher sound. The larger side I would tune to the G major scale, and the frequency of G is 98 Hz, A is 55 Hz, B is 123.5 Hz, C is 65.4 Hz, D is 73.4 Hz, E is 82.4 Hz, F sharp is 46.3 Hz. Now on the adjacent side, say I wanted to go an octave higher than that, I would just have to double the frequency. So G would then become 196 Hz, A 110, B 247, C 130.8, D 146.8, E 164.8, and F sharp 92.6. So if you really think about it, it's actually very simple to create a new sound with a little basic knowledge. There are many factors that actually go into the final sound, but to get a desired pitch or tone, just use physics.